Temperatures are cool today, and we've even had some pockets of sunshine. Hard to see from this angle, but there is a decent amount of shadows for the cars and not a lot of traffic, at least at this point. But we also see that field of cumulus clouds in the background, very typical for a cool season front to have these kind of clouds on the backside, which is exactly what's happening. Upper 50s and low 60s right now. We're running 10 to 15 degrees cooler than we should be for this time of year. That is the power of this cold air that's been in place. And even compared to yesterday, when it was fairly cool, we're 5 to 6 degrees for the most part cooler than we were even yesterday. Plus, it's breezy out there, so definitely time to pull out some of those boots and sweaters and enjoy the October feel that will be happening here the next couple of days. The biggest issue tomorrow, other than the cool air, is going to be the wind, because that is going to be cranking pretty much all day, but especially the first half of the day. There's actually a gale warning until 11 a.m. tomorrow to account for waves that could be 10 to 12 feet and these wind gusts that could be up to 40 miles an hour. So really breezy for us. And although it's chilly now and it's been cool for the last week and a half to 2 weeks, next week we warm back up into the 70s, so it's not going to last forever. Yesterday's cold front is well to our east, but we're pulling around that cooler air, which is why we're just dealing with the cool and breezy conditions. But there's actually a second front that's right on the heels of the first one. This one will be moving through early tomorrow, giving us a small chance for rain. There's not a lot of moisture to work with, but there's just enough to squeeze out a few showers early in the morning. Then throughout the day, we're just going to be cool once again, making a run at some record cool highs for tomorrow with a high of 62, and even Saturday 64. We could be probably top 3 coolest day for this time of the year. Sunday, we're starting to climb into the mid 60s, but it's still going to be chilly out there. Thankfully, not a ton of rain chances outside of early tomorrow morning. For both weekend days, Saturday and Sunday, we should be primarily dry, but there is the chance for some of those lake enhanced showers just because of how cool this air mass is. So not lake effect snow, lake effect rain. We dealt with that a couple of weekends ago as well. Temperatures tonight falling to around 52, not too terrible, but the wind is going to pick up in the morning and it will be highest during the early part of the day. And our highs tomorrow only low 60s, and that wind will be sustained at 20 to 25, gusting higher. In terms of the rain, very little of this will be happening, but between midnight and around 5 a.m. tomorrow, north of 96, we could get a few showers and then a few little sprinkles into the afternoon just because of the chill. But that is about it. The worst thing is going to be the wind. These are gusts, but you can see through 6:30 a.m. along the lakeshore, 40-mile-an-hour winds possible, and even inland they could be gusting upwards of 35 or so. Through the second half of the day, these come down slightly, but we're still probably going to be dealing with gusts of 20 to 30 miles an hour as late as 6 or 7 p.m. So a very breezy day tomorrow, less so for the weekend, but still just staying on the cooler side.